Hello, and welcome to this short demonstration on how to install the Sales Agent portal on your server. There are 5 easy steps and I'm going to take you through them now. First of all, the Install Manager. The Connect Portal Install Manager sets up the Connect portal on your server. You have a number of options to choose from in order to perform this installation. I've gone for a standard setup here for this demonstration. Please refer to our documentation for more details. Once you have chosen your setup, the manager will take care of the rest. Once this installation is completed, you'll be ready to carry on with the next step, which is the Empty Site Wizard. The Empty Site Wizard is used to enter licensing information, administrator details, language and culture settings, and layout and content. Here I'm entering the site admin details, the language settings, English, and I'm going to call this Portals Demo. Go with the default logo, the default view, and here I'm going to import the Sales Agent Portals package. And click on Finish, and that's it. And now we're ready to enter the Connect Portal admin. But first of all, we need to import the Dynamics NAV views. Within Dynamics NAV, we import the portals views which define the data exchange and security settings for the portals. We are now ready to continue with the next step, which is creating users within the Connect portal. To do this, we enter the Connect portal admin, select Users, and create a new user. Here we enter the user's details. We also enter personal information for the user, such as name and job title. And we assign the user to a user group. In this case, we wish to assign the user to the Sales Agent user group. And there you have it. So now all we need to do is to synchronize the users. First of all, within the Connect Portal admin, we choose Nav Sync, and then we click on Sync Navision Users. Then we go into Dynamics NAV once again, and we set up the user relationship with the user that's just been synced from the Connect portal. We choose an employer type of salesperson, choose the name information, and the relationship is a sales agent. We're now ready to begin shopping. So let's enter our newly created Sales Agent portal with our user information. Let's choose a new order for the Fashion Store UK. Enter a product number, enter the quantity, go to the Submit page, click on Submit, and there you have it. Let's just check looking at the PDF document. And there's your order confirmation.